Did you know the Pope lives a life that's more humble than a Hollywood star, yet leads over 1.3 billion people? Get ready for some mind-blowing facts about Pope Francis. Fact number 1. In 2013, Forbes magazine named Pope Francis the 6th most powerful person on earth, not because of wealth or weapons, but because he led over 1.3 billion Catholics and had massive influence on global issues like peace, climate change, and social justice. Now, that's real power. Fact number 2. He had only one lung. As a young man, he suffered a severe lung infection and had part of one lung removed. Despite this, he maintained a tireless schedule, traveled the world, and inspired millions with his voice and compassion. Fact number 3. He loves pizza. Yes, you heard it right. Even the Pope has food cravings. Pope Francis once said he misses being able to just walk into a pizzeria and enjoy a slice like a regular guy. His favorite? Neapolitan-style pizza.
And white special delivery. Enzo Cacciali of Don Ernesto's Pizza jumping the security barrier in order to hand-deliver the pie on the fly. Pope Francis had recently joked he missed being able to go out for a pizza. No worries, it came to him.
Fact number 4. Before entering the priesthood, Pope Francis worked as a nightclub bouncer, a chemical technician, and a janitor. He later became a teacher and taught literature and psychology. Fact number 5. Pope Francis is the first pope to ever take the name Francis, inspired by Saint Francis of Assisi, the saint known for loving animals and living a life of poverty and peace. That says a lot about the Pope's values. If you found these facts about Pope Francis as fascinating as we did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories from around the world.